In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit ad groups in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely make updates that stick. First, sign into your Google Ads account. Head to the main dashboard so you can see your account overview. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, and that you have permission to make edits. Next, open the campaigns area. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation. This view shows all your campaigns at a glance. If you manage several, take a moment to select the specific campaign you want to work in. Choosing the right campaign here keeps your changes focused and prevents accidental edits elsewhere. Once you're inside the campaign, click Add Groups in the left menu or the top tab, depending on your layout. This loads the list of ad groups for that campaign. You should now see a table with columns like ad group name, status, and other key settings. If you're dealing with a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the exact ad group you want to adjust. You can also customize columns to surface the settings you care about most. Find the ad group you want to edit and hover your mouse over the specific setting you'd like to change. As you hover, look for a small pencil icon to appear. That icon indicates the field is editable directly from the table. Common quick edits here include the ad group name, status, or bidding related fields when available for your bidding strategy. Click the pencil icon next to the setting you want to change. A small inline editor or side panel will open. Type in your updates carefully. Keep names clear and consistent with your naming convention, so reporting stays clean. If a field is unavailable or grayed out, it may be controlled at the campaign level or by your bid strategy, so that's expected in some setups. When you're happy with your changes, click Save. Watch for a brief confirmation message. Most edits apply within moments, though performance impacting changes can take a little time to reflect in your metrics. If you spot a mistake right away, look for an undo option or simply edit the field again using the same pencil icon. After saving, it's a good practice to refresh the page and confirm the change appears as intended, then monitor results to ensure performance aligns with your goals. That's it. Sign in, go to campaigns, choose your campaign, open ad groups, hover for the pencil icon, make your edits, and save. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.